a telescope instrument whose sole reason to exist is to hunt the skies for exoplanets. Ever thought that there should be some sort of instrument, apparatus, or telescope pointed at the sky solely for the purpose of detecting exoplanets? Surely, with all the resources and technology available, astronomers could, with adequate funding, of course, make this happen. Well, they have. A dedicated exoplanet imager, a telescope instrument whose sole reason to exist is to hunt the skies for planets revolving around other stars, has now entered the cosmic search for alien worlds. FIS. Augur reported last week that Subaru telescope on Mauna Kea, Hawaii, outfitted with an astronomical instrument, called the SEGZAO, Subaru Coronographic Extreme Adaptive Optics, designed to detect planets around other stars, has revealed its first images. After 10 years of painstaking work, the SEGZAO is finally operational and astronomers couldn't be happier. Mauna Kea is the best place on this planet to see planets in other stellar systems. Now, we finally have an instrument designed to utilize this mountain's special gifts, and the results are breathtaking, said Dr. Thun Curry, the author of the first science result paper from SEGZAO. SEGZAO at Mauna Kea will be the lead exoplanet imager, as two have already been commissioned in Chile and Arizona. It seems only appropriate, considering that the first planets ever imaged around another star were captured with general-purpose instruments at Mauna Kea. SEGZAO project leader Dr. Olivier Gouin said of the imager, "With SEGZAO, we know not only the presence of a planet but also its character, such as whether it is cloudy and what molecules it has, even if that planet is tens of trillions of miles away." The trio of our systems are thus far responsible for roughly a dozen exoplanet discoveries. In fact, SEGZAO at Mauna Kea, which, as the name suggests, has sharper, more extreme optics, may have already discovered the youngest debris disk ever encountered surrounding a star in the Taurus constellation. The star, designated HD 36546, appears to have a protoplanetary disk formed around a star estimated to be no between 3 and 10 million years of age, a stellar body that appears to be associated with other relatively young stars. We barely flipped the on switch for SEGZAO and already saw a new planetary system, Dr. Nemanja Jovanovic, who is also working on the instrument, said of the device. The future, which includes a fully optimized SEGZAO, is extremely promising. The most recent images taken from the instrument indicate that the imager has been improved even further. The SEGZAO at Mauna Kea is so sensitive it detects exoplanets, or planet-forming disks, in a minute, whereas other OW systems would need an hour for detection. At present, the Kepler Space Telescope is the leader in the number of exoplanets discovered department. The Kepler, launched in 2009, has thus far discovered 4,696 candidate exoplanets to date. Of those, 2,331 have been confirmed. According to the Extrasolar Planet Encyclopedia, there are a total of 3,575 exoplanets that have been discovered to date. NASA claims 3,447 confirmed exoplanets to date. These planets have been detected primarily through transiting, where the detected planet is revealed by noting the dimming of its parent star when the target planet passes between said star and the observer, and radial velocity, a method by which an exoplanet's presence is deduced due to the displacement in the parent star's spectral lines as a result of the Doppler effect. At present, NASA has not only the Kepler Space Telescope but the Hubble Space Telescope and the Spitzer Space Telescope as well, searching for alien worlds. In the future, missions like the James Webb Space Telescope, under construction and slated for a 2018 launch, and the conceptualized First Wide Field Infrared Survey Telescope, are designed to facilitate image gathering of exoplanets.